Welcome to lesson number 11, E major scale. Objective: by the end of this lesson, you are expected to play E major scale across the fretboard. We have learned that E can be found on the second fret on the D string, the C string is also E, the 7th fret on the A string is also E, the 1st string is E, the 5th fret on the B string is also E. Then when you come to the 9th fret on the G string is also E. Then the 14th fret on the D string is also E. So to play E major scale, this is what you have to do. From this position, you can start with your second finger like this. Then your second finger plays the La, which is good. This shows that E major scale involves E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, E flat, and then E. Good. So you can play and do your practice with this shape. It brings you here like this. You get another shape like this, where your 4th finger is at the 7th fret on the A string, so you can also get a shape like this. 4th finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger, 1st finger, 3rd finger, 1st finger, 2nd finger. Good. Then you can also continue from this shape and then go downwards. So that you get a shape like this. Okay, you get this kind of shape. Then you play very good, very good. In other ways, you can also let's take it this shape for now. Do this exercise good. Do this exercise as many times as you can so that you perfect it like the other skills. Meet you in the next lesson.